Okay, how you doing, guys? So I'm still in my comments and I've just received a couple of emails. All right, my contact details are in the video description, asking me about one, the downloader code for Diggz, and two, why is there's no Diggz Xenon 3? And I yesterday when I answered one of the comments, I guessed what I thought, and it turns out to be true. So over 24 hours ago, Diggz announced that of a specific add-on. Did he say the name? I can't remember. And he's entered it into the Xenon 3 build. Now this add-on is a scraper add-on. It looks like one of those, old Exodus forks of Exodus Genesis, and it actually uses Debrid links. Now this add-on has been used or is used in other builds such as Dr. Manhattan, Freedom, Power, Just Scrubs, I think Game of Thrones, and Non-Debrid as well. But yeah, for Diggz to announce that, it sort of made, as you guys know, it's the most popular wizard build or whatever like that. So imagine all the downloads, all the, I don't know, thousands or hundreds of thousands or hundreds or tens of, who knows, of users using it. It messed it up. So I guess what he had to do is pull that build off. And I guess when he gets time, because it is the weekend, or it was Friday yesterday, he would update it and remove that add-on. That's the thing. I mean, there's not enough hours in the day to, with work life, even though it's all about work-life balance now, work life, stuff to do around the house, who knows, family and all that stuff. So I'm sure it'll be back. All right. It's just like that add-on. Maybe he did that add-on in a way that he used it as widgets on his build. Who knows? But just had to stop that. So hopefully it should be back. And that's that. Yeah, and we had something similar. I think this was before the pandemic. I'm sure it's from, I got it from the Diggz' store, Kodi Builds store. Remember an app called Terrarium? Now there used to be a modded version floating around, and it actually gave Debrid links from that Debrid beginning with P. And that didn't last that long. So this add-on is sort of similar. All right, it worked really good. It's been out, I don't know, about two weeks or so. It's been on Freedom and Just Scrubs and Dr. Manhattan and stuff like that. No one's said anything yet, but I mean, yeah, it's been good. But there you go. It just shows you. I mean, there are other add-ons that are okay, but not to that standard. There are others that have 4K, but that was the real deal. That was. There are options to get Debrid, all Debrid. I've got links in the video description, and real Debrid and the other one. So I know people are going to say it's not that much money, but at least it's going to be your own one. If you get yourself, it's not being shared, and it should work. All right then, guys. Thank you very much. So, hopefully it will come back soon online when he's got time to update it. And I guess Freedom and all those other builds need to be updated as well. I did test it out. There is one provider that works, but it buffers. And I know someone from the Diggz team says, oh, yeah, Debrid doesn't buffer. Everything has to buffer in order to stream it anyway. But yeah, Debrid does buffer for people, especially if you're selecting a high link, a large file size, and your internet's slow. Of course it's going to buffer. I mean... All right then, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.